Hey budget baes, hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we are trying to catch up. So we are going to go ahead and do our fourth paycheck for the month of April. Papa did get an extra paycheck, an extra fifth paycheck, but we're going to use that to pay the first part of May's bill. So I'm just going to save that and use that as my official first part of May. But for now, we're going to close out with the fourth paycheck, which is my paycheck. So if you want to go ahead and budget that paycheck with me, let's go ahead. Okay, so boom, y'all stay tuned and clear. That means you want to go ahead and budget this fourth paycheck with y'all. Alright, first things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how a bed goes. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning budget buddies. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, and hey y'all, hey, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Budget buddies, since you've been on the video, do your big one, hit the like button for your girl. I definitely appreciate it down. It helps my channel float around out there in the YouTube streets. Show people that you like me, and so that we can get us some more budget buys, okay? Not only that, if you're new around here and you enjoyed the video, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe, okay? Hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you come and join the budget base. All right, so give me 1 second because it looks like this camera's turned the wrong way. Hold on. Okay, so boom, y'all. If y'all stay tuned to clear, that means you want to go ahead and do this little old paycheck with your girl. All right. I think we did already the pleasantries and all of that good old. Your girl ended up having to fix the camera. So, yeah. But anyway, let me show you guys what I have going on. We are going to do the fourth paycheck, which is my paycheck that I received at the last day of the month. Today is Saturday, May the 2nd, just for time, so you know what the time. But I just got paid, and we wanted to budget that paycheck out and finish paying off the rest of our bills for the month of April. And then the check that Papa got on the very last day, which would have been, yeah, Friday or Thursday or whatever, then we're going to use that paycheck to pay the first half of May's bills. So I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to close out with this particular paycheck, okay? All right, so let's move some stuff out the way. I do have our Jacob's paycheck budget. We're going to be using this. Give us a second for that. I do have my bill pay calendar. We'll move the first three paychecks that we did off to the side so that we can see what we have going on. And then I do have this piece of paper here that I'm going to be using from Wrong back when she was with Happy Planner. We'll use that to write my bills on. We're going to be using the Bright Retro Budget Book in order for the icons. I also have my rainbow sticker dots so that we can mark what bills we're going to pay. And then I have the Alpha Basics by Kelly Ann or Kell of a Plan so that we can write the word bills. And then I also have the Budget Basic book just in case I want to use any of the icons as well from Kelly Ann, right? But of course, we'll move that over there to the side for now. Right now, we're going to be looking at our bill pay calendar so that you guys can see what we have going on. Oh, this is our bill pay checklist. It tells us what bills we have left. Yeah. All right. So we're going to put this here and let's move you guys in so that you guys can see what's really tea. Okay. Right now, we are all the way down here. All right, we gotten paid. I got paid on the 29th of the month. Papa did get paid on that last day, which was the 30th, but we're not going to be using that paycheck. We're going to be talking about mine, and we're going to complete paying off these bills, all right? So let's pull out our, what are we, that silver. We already did paycheck number 3. And all of these bills have already actually come out. I need to see how much of my cell phone bill. $159.95. So that was $319. That was paid. All right. So now we have left the following bills down here. So I'm going to tell you guys, we're going to pay all of those. Let me pull out my silver. So my coffee is still hot from this morning. All right. So we have this light silver or gray or whatever. We're going to be paying YouTube. We're going to pay that gas bill. We're going to do the vehicle insurance. We're going to do Papa's Life. We have MX number... Actually, I didn't pay MX number 2. I paid MX number 2 with Papa's check, so we're going to hold off on that one. But we did do payment 14 of St. Martin. It's also a couple of things that we did that I needed to, that's not on this, so we'll talk about that. So let's move this out of the way. And then we'll move into our paycheck budget. So, like I said, there are going to be a couple of things that we added to the bill that we didn't pay on, that wasn't on our calendar. But for this particular month, my paycheck was 04/29/26. For my paycheck, we're actually going to be using $2,200. And from my baby, she's going to be giving us $200, and she actually gave more than $237, but $237 toward this particular paycheck. And then she paid her own, she gave me $237 plus another $159.95 because that was part of her cell phone bill. But when she gave me the cell phone bill, I had already paid my part, so I just directly paid her part when she transferred the money over. So the only money that I'm going to be allocating from her is going to be the $237 toward her vehicle insurance, okay? So that's what we're working with. Now, we're also going to be moving part 2 of our mortgage that's going to be due on the 15th of May. So we're going to go ahead and move $790.02 over to the side. And then we're going to be paying YouTube TV. YouTube TV is going to be due, or was due on the 28th. And that amount that I paid was $130.95. For some reason, they started breaking it up. Instead of just giving me one bill, they're like breaking it up into 3. And I don't know why they're doing that, because they charge me tax on each damn one. Shit. All right, and then vehicle insurance. The vehicle insurance is due on the last day of the month. So that amount that we paid was $482.52. And then Diabion paid her cell phone bill. And that amount, like I told you guys, was $159.95. But that didn't count toward our budget. That bill was due on the 28th. And I think I had already paid my bill the week before. All right, then we allocated money for Papa's life insurance. That amount was due on the 30th of the month, and it was $135.06. We did the gas bill. And that was due for 30, and that amount is $46.79. And then we had to get King some dog food. Okay, my bad, y'all. That was my mean company, girl. My breakfast is ready. All right, so I was telling y'all about King's dog food. Child, we had to buy him some dog food. His dog food was $100.65. And then we paid payment number 14 of 22 for our St. Martin trip. That bill is due on the 23rd of June. We paid $212 toward that. And then we moved part of Papa's car note. He has a car note that's coming up. That's going to be due on like the 6th of May. So we wanted to move some money over for that. Normally I do 300 and 300, but I think I had forgot on his check. So I went ahead and moved $200 from my check over. And then when he get paid to the next day, we'll move the rest of the money over and just make his car payment. All right. So let's add this up. 790.02, 130.95, 482. So the amount that I'm getting without my allocating for my baby's income is gonna be $2,097.99. But remember, she is giving $237, so we're gonna subtract $237 from that. So the total actually is $1,860.99. Okay. Now I said that I'm gonna use 2,200. And that amount is $339.01 left over for cash stuffing, okay? Now, that's going to be fine because when we get Papa's check, we're going to have to pay a lot of bills for the week because we're not going to get another check until way like the middle of the month, y'all. Like the 15th or something like that. So we may not have a lot of money to stuff, so it's very important that I go ahead and stuff this week because when I do his check, I don't think that we're gonna have a lot to stuff, y'all. Like literally, it may only be gas, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, so we're gonna start with $339. Y'all know it's really not gonna be $339. It's probably gonna be like $335, but let's talk about it. Y'all know off the top we have to do $80 for gas. And then we got to do $110 for groceries. So we really only have $149. And remember, we're getting grass cut, so we have to do grass each time. Nothing for my nails and feet this week. We do want to put $30 in our emergency fund. $30 in the new car. Speaking of, I told y'all somebody hit my car. I need to call my insurance company. Amex lump. We're going to use that last $60 and we're going to put that in our Amex lump, y'all. And that'll leave $4 that we can put toward the buffer, okay? So that's how we're going to do that. And then let's talk about it because I actually need to go to the bank right now to get this money out. So I'm gonna see what Papa got going on because I feel like we need to go to my job, let him do my Ring camera. And then we need to go to the bank. And I think that's it. He said he wanna do some stuff around the house and I wanna like clean up. So yeah. Alright, so with the 110, of course, we're going to do 250s, 110. The 80 is going to always be 420s. 25 can be 120, 15. The 30 can be 120, 110. Same situation with the other 30. And then the 60 could be 150, 110. So that'd be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. So 3 times 50 is 150. 7 times 20 is 140. 4 times 10 is 40. And then 3 times, I don't know why I put 3. This is only 1. I'm tripping. 1 times 5 is 5. And so that should be 150 plus 140 plus 40 plus 5 is 335. All right, and that's how much money we need to get from up out the bank. All right, y'all. So that is so easy. All right, so now that we have that going on, let's go ahead and put what we pay right here, so that I can go downstairs and eat, y'all. So I'm gonna fast forward you guys, of course, for this particular video. I mean, this particular portion of the video, and then I will be right back. Alright, so we are back. I did all the bills. Let's go ahead and put them right on this sheet. The YouTube TV bill was paid. That was $130.95. Let's update this. Cell phone bill. Because the cell phone bill was $319.90. I want to put the full total. $319.90, especially since both are paid. The gas bill was $46.79. Vehicle insurance $482.52. Papa's Life is $135.06. Papa's Life insurance. We paid Amex, but not yet. Plus, we need a lump sum payment to pay them. So we're gonna skip this. But we did pay St. Martin, and it was $212. All right. So all of our household bills have been paid, and that's good to go. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the next video that we'll close out this. Well, we'll do the cash stuff, and then we'll close out this particular month. But of course, I need to get into my my May stuff. Excuse me. So you will probably see some stuff for May 1st, and then before we close out the whole month, okay? But let's go ahead and put everything back where it belongs. In this particular video will be y'all's, honey, because, girl, my man done caught me. I gotta go. I gotta go, y'all. Okay, so here is our last budget paycheck that we did. We're going to put the bill pay tracker there, and then of course right in front of it will go our bill pay calendar, and all of our bills are completed. The very final bill, like I said, we need to pay is going to be this Amex number 2, and I did pay on that bill already, but I need to make more payments because we got a lump sum payment that we need to do from our little money that we've been putting up. So we're also going to take this and we're going to put this back in here. Back here, y'all. I need to catch up, y'all. Oh, I need to catch up. Okay. The 20. Oh, good. I see. I did this one. I need to go backwards. All right. The 29. All right. So we're going to put this right here. And that's how that's going to look, okay? Now, oh, I forgot to write these. Hold on, y'all. Put these back. And then our fourth paycheck will go there. And that's good, all right? So that's how that's going to look, all right? Now, if you made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. If you are new around here and you enjoy to hit the like, but also hit the subscribe, I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye!